Welcome the Art Channel. Today we how to improve affiliate marketing with Best Buy full guide step by step clearly. To improve your affiliate marketing efforts with Best Buy, start by understanding their affiliate program. Visit the Best Buy affiliate program page to gather detailed information. Review the commission structure and payment options available to affiliates. Sign up for the Best Buy affiliate program through an affiliate network. Choose an affiliate network that aligns with your goals. Once approved, get access to your unique affiliate links and marketing materials. Familiarize yourself with Best Buy's product categories and promotions. Select products that resonate with your target audience. Create quality content around these products, highlighting their features and benefits. Use various content formats such as blog posts, videos, and social media posts. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally to enhance SEO. Leverage email marketing by including your affiliate links in newsletters. Utilize social media platforms to share product recommendations. Engage with your audience by responding to their inquiries about the products. Track your affiliate link performance using analytics tools. Analyze which products generate the most clicks and sales. Optimize your campaigns based on this data to focus on the best performing products. Experiment with different promotional strategies such as discounts or special offers. Stay updated with Best Buy's latest promotions and product launches. Adjust your content accordingly to feature these updates prominently. Build a community around your affiliate marketing efforts by sharing tips and insights. Continuously educate yourself on evolving affiliate marketing trends. Collaborate with other affiliates or influencers to expand your reach. Seek feedback from your audience to improve your content quality and relevance. Be patient and consistent with your efforts as success may take time. Celebrate small wins along the way to keep motivation high. Incorporate these strategies diligently to see improvements in your affiliate marketing with Best Buy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.